Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature Mixie haircuts. So if you're not already familiar with a Mixie haircut, it is basically the version of a pixie combined with a mullet. I also like to call it the baby mullet because it does end typically around neck length or so. And it is a new way that you can rock the traditional mullet style. Typically it features bangs in the front. It's really just a great updated hair trend. So if you want to try something new and innovative with your hair, the pixie combined with the mullet is a great option to try. So here we see the styling of this beautiful yellow Mixie cut. This is quite a bold hair color, but this is an absolutely gorgeous haircut. It does feature beautiful layers throughout, baby bangs in the front. And then we see another Mixie haircut. This one features a very bold take on the trend. It features more of like shaven sides, baby bangs in the front, and it does kind of remind you more of like a traditional mullet. Definitely giving me rocker chic vibes with this particular haircut. And then here we see another take on the trend. So she starts off with shoulder length hair, and the stylist is of course layering and cutting the hair into a mixie. So this season we're going to be seeing a lot of layered hairstyles. If you guys have been checking out some of my more recent videos, I talk heavily about some of the layered hairstyles that we're going to be seeing. The return of the shaggy haircut, the wolf cut, and the Mixie cut is just another variation of that kind of layered 70s, 80s vibe that we're seeing making a strong return. This one does feature a cool pop of color in the bangs area, and it comes to around the shoulders. So here we have a shorter variation of the Mixie cut. And this one really just kind of reminds me of a grown out pixie. It's a great option if you are growing your hair out from a pixie. Absolutely beautiful. Loving this trend. Leave in the comments below what you think of this particular haircut. Is it one that you would try or have tried? Or if you are thinking about trying this trend out, leave us your thoughts in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video.